Hello friends, today I am going to make a rain gauge. You will need an empty plastic bottle, transparent tape and a ruler. Let's see the method. Cut the bottle into two parts as shown in the figure. Put a transparent tape on the ruler and then paste it on the bottle. Now take other part of the bottle and put it upside down like this. Put colored water up to height of 1 cm of bottle. Now our rain gauge is ready. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye. Let's meet on another video. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.